Ever wish you'd bought Bitcoin when it was just a few bucks? You're not alone. That feeling of missing out on life-changing gains is what drives so many investors to keep searching for the next big thing in crypto. The dream of catching lightning in a bottle, finding that one coin before it explodes, is alive and well. The days of thousand-fold Bitcoin gains may be over, but the crypto market still offers huge opportunities, especially in small-cap coins. These lesser-known tokens can deliver massive returns if you know where to look and are willing to take calculated risks. These up-and-coming projects are like digital startups, nimble, innovative, and ready to solve problems the big players can't. They're often run by passionate teams who are laser-focused on disrupting the status quo and bringing fresh ideas to the blockchain space. Because their market cap is low, even a modest investment surge can send prices soaring, something you just won't see with Bitcoin anymore. The potential for rapid growth is what makes these coins so exciting, but also so volatile. Of course, the risk is high. For every winner, many projects fail. It's a wild ride, and you have to be prepared for the ups and downs. But with careful research, you can spot the gems, dig into the project's fundamentals, check the team's track record, and see if the technology really solves a real-world problem. Look for coins with real substance, a clear purpose, and a passionate community, not just hype. A strong, engaged community can be a sign that a project has staying power and real potential. Right now, in late 2025, the environment is perfect for these small projects. Positive sentiment, friendlier regulations, and institutional money flooding in. The stage is set for the next wave of breakout coins to make their mark. One coin making serious waves is Bitcoin Hyper, or Hyper, a project promising something truly unique. It's capturing the attention of both retail and institutional investors, and the buzz is growing by the day. Let's break down why Hyper could be the next big thing, and what makes it stand out in a crowded field of contenders. So, what is Bitcoin Hyper? It's a bold new project that's aiming to bridge the gap between the original Bitcoin network and the rapidly evolving world of decentralized finance. In a space where innovation is constant, Hyper stands out by promising to combine the best features of both worlds. Hyper aims to fuse Bitcoin's legendary security with the speed and flexibility of modern blockchains. It's about taking what works best from Bitcoin, its robust, time-tested security, and pairing it with the advanced capabilities that newer blockchains offer, like smart contracts and rapid transactions. Think of it as a Layer 2 expressway, built on top of Bitcoin's slow, secure highway. Faster, cheaper, but still protected by Bitcoin's security. This means users can enjoy lightning-fast transactions and lower fees, all while knowing their assets are anchored to the most secure blockchain in the world. Hyper's big goal brings smart contracts and DeFi to Bitcoin, unlocking new possibilities for developers and users. Imagine building decentralized apps, trading or lending, all powered by Bitcoin security, but without the usual limitations. Using Solana virtual machine tech, Hyper lets developers build powerful apps that are ultimately secured by Bitcoin. This compatibility opens the door for a wave of innovation, as developers can leverage existing tools and code bases to create next-generation financial products. For early investors, the project offered staking rewards up to 66% APY, an aggressive incentive to attract and retain supporters. These high returns are designed to bootstrap the network and encourage participation from the very beginning. While these rates will drop as the network grows, it shows Hyper's commitment to building a strong community. Early adopters are rewarded for their trust, and as the ecosystem matures, the focus shifts to long-term value and stability. Hyper's tokenomics are also key, a fixed supply of 21 billion tokens, mirroring Bitcoin's scarcity model. This hard cap is designed to create a sense of digital scarcity, which has historically driven value in the crypto space. This cap protects against inflation and could drive price growth as demand rises. As more people use and invest in Hyper, the limited supply could become a major advantage. Unlike fiat currencies, no one can print more Hyper. The rules are set in code, ensuring transparency and predictability for everyone involved. The project's design signals a focus on long-term sustainability, not just short-term hype. Hyper is positioning itself as a serious contender for the future of decentralized finance on Bitcoin. If Hyper succeeds, it could bring a new era of utility to the Bitcoin ecosystem. It's an ambitious vision, one that could reshape how we think about Bitcoin's role in the broader crypto world. That's why so many eyes are on it right now, watching to see if Hyper can truly deliver the best of both worlds. What sets Hyper apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum? In a world where the biggest names dominate the headlines, it's easy to overlook what makes a new project truly unique. But Hyper isn't just another coin trying to ride the crypto wave. It's all about speed, cost, and utility, three pillars that define the future of digital money. Bitcoin is secure but slow, just a handful of transactions per second. That's great for security, but not so great if you want to buy a coffee or send money instantly. Hyper as a layer 2 targets over 65,000 per second, rivaling Visa and other payment giants. Imagine sending money as quickly as a text message anywhere in the world. High fees on Bitcoin make small transactions impractical. Sometimes, the fee is higher than the amount you want to send. Hyper's architecture slashes costs to fractions of a cent, enabling real-world use. This means microtransactions, tipping, and everyday payments are finally possible. Unlike Bitcoin, Hyper supports smart contracts, letting developers build DeFi, games, NFTs, and more, all anchored to Bitcoin's legendary security. This opens the door to a whole new world of decentralized apps. It's not trying to replace Bitcoin, but to add a powerful new layer of utility. Think of it as an upgrade, not a competitor. Hyper also stands out as a meme coin with real tech. It's got the fun viral energy of meme coins, but with actual innovation under the hood. Most meme coins are all hype, but Hyper backs up its branding with substance. It's not just about the memes, it's about making a real impact. This dual identity, meme appeal plus real utility, helps attract both retail excitement and serious investors. It bridges the gap between fun and function. The result? A project that could capture the best of both worlds, viral growth and lasting value. It's rare to see a coin that can do both. If Hyper delivers on its promises, it could redefine what's possible for Bitcoin-based projects, setting a new standard for innovation in the space. That's why it's getting so much attention from both the media and the crypto community. People are watching closely. The combination of speed, low fees, and smart contracts is a game changer. It's what the crypto world has been waiting for. Hyper is aiming to be more than just another meme. It wants to be the backbone of a new Bitcoin-powered ecosystem, connecting users, developers, and businesses in ways never seen before. And that's a big deal. If Hyper succeeds, it could change the way we think about both meme coins and Bitcoin itself. Timing is everything, and late 2025 is shaping up to be a golden era for small-cap crypto. Regulatory clarity in the US has unleashed a wave of new investors, both retail and institutional. Bitcoin and Ether ETFs have made crypto accessible to the masses, bringing in billions in fresh capital. Major partnerships like Chainlink and Swift prove blockchain is going mainstream. With Bitcoin hitting new highs, profits are flowing into smaller coins in search of the next big winner. This altcoin season cycle means projects like Hyper are perfectly positioned for explosive growth. The technology is mature, and investors are savvier than ever, seeking out projects that solve real problems. In this environment, a strong technical foundation and clear value prop, like Hyper's, stand out. Hyper isn't alone. 2025's small cap scene is buzzing with innovation. Lil Pepe is another layer 2, but EVM compatible and meme driven, raising over $26 million in pre-sale. Best Wallet token, BEST, powers a multi-chain wallet, offering real utility and strong pre-sale demand. Snorterbot, Snort, is a Telegram trading bot for Solana tokens, tapping into the automated trading trend. SpacePay SBuy is building crypto payment solutions with a major partnership with Volkswagen Singapore. These projects show the diversity of the small cap space, from meme coins to real-world payment systems. Strong communities, clear use cases, and big partnerships are what set the winners apart. Watching these trends helps you spot what the market values most. The next breakout could come from anywhere, if you know what to look for. That's why it pays to keep your ear to the ground. Want to find the next 15x coin? Here's your toolkit. Start with use case. Does the project solve a real problem? Trending sectors like Layer 2s, AI, and DeFi are hot for a reason. Check the team. Are they experienced and transparent? Anonymous teams are a red flag. Study the roadmap. Are the goals clear and realistic? Dive into tokenomics. Is there a fixed supply? Is the distribution fair, or are insiders holding too much? Evaluate the community. Is it active, positive, and growing? Real engagement beats fake hype every time. A strong project has substance, not just sizzle. Do your homework, and you'll spot the real gems before the crowd. The promise of huge returns comes with huge risks, especially in small-cap crypto. Most new projects fail, and prices can crash 90% overnight. Rule 1. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Watch out for scams like rug pulls, where developers vanish with your money, and honeypots, where you can buy but never sell. Be skeptical of guaranteed returns. There's no such thing in crypto. Avoid projects with aggressive marketing, paid celebrity shills, or high-pressure tactics. Always check for security audits from reputable firms like CoinSalt or Spywolf. No audit? Consider it high risk. Read the audit report yourself. Don't just take their word for it. A clean audit shows the team cares about security and transparency. Protect yourself with research and a healthy dose of skepticism. In crypto, caution is your best friend. Once you invest, security is everything. Don't leave your coins on exchanges. If they get hacked, your funds could vanish. Use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for serious holdings. Your private keys stay offline and safe. Your seed phrase is your master key. Write it down, store it securely, and never share it. Never keep your seed phrase on your phone or computer. Watch out for phishing scams and fake websites. Always double-check URLs. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication on all accounts. Be wary of unsolicited messages or links about crypto. Good digital hygiene is your best defense. In crypto, a little paranoia goes a long way. Your security is in your hands. Protect it. To sum up, small-cap coins like Hyper offer huge potential, but also huge risk. The 2025 market is primed for breakout projects, but only the best will survive. Look for real utility, transparent teams, solid tokenomics, and an engaged community. Never invest more than you can lose, and always do your own research. The path to big rewards is paved with diligence and skepticism. Read the white paper, join the community, and weigh the risks before you invest. This isn't financial advice. It's a roadmap for smarter decisions. If you do your homework, you'll be ready for whatever comes next. In crypto, knowledge is your greatest asset.